Nice spectacles.
Danke schön.
Ring the bell, CJ. That's how you do it.
There we go, okay. So we're in football season. We're in the tailgating-ish season.
Yeah, definitely.
Yep. Of course, with complicated measures, I don't know how many people are gonna be able to go to football games.
Home
but
game.
everybody loves to cook for a football game. Are we doing Philly cheesesteak sandwiches?
Phillies.
Phillies.
Phillies flatbread.
We're doing
Philly flatbreads.
A Philly flatbread.
I don't know if Betty would approve.
Nah, she's gonna hate it.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
So we're officially rolling. Guys, let's jump right into this tasty, delectable, delicious
Philly flatbread.
We're gonna get started on our veggies, because this process doesn't take too long, because as you will see, the beef here,
Oh, hello.
thin sliced ribeye. This is gonna cruise once we get it on the blacktop. It's
That is paramount. That is, gotta
you gots to have it. So before we get to that, let's get to our veggies, shall we?
What
Today,
veggies?
I've got a green bell pepper, and I am gonna show you.
I'm
gonna show you. I'm gonna show you.
What are you gonna show?
I'm gonna show you a really great technique on how to utilize the most of your.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
The majority of your green bell pepper without getting too complicated with the seeds, because the seeds can be an issue.
Yeah,
we don't want to
for
have
sure.
issues. So here's what we're gonna do. It's
Do
pretty
it.
simple. We are going to slice off the top just like that. We're going to slice off the bottom. And then you've got these awesome little canals, as I like to call them. I don't actually like to call them that, but I just called it that.
I say channels whenever I do this trick that you're stealing from me because
Well,
I'm the one that taught you.
This
how to
is
do
the
this.
green bell pepper canal right here.
It's a Chanel.
You're just gonna slice that, flip it on its side, and then you just start slicing and rolling.
Look at that technique.
It's freaking magic.
Have you ever done it like that before? Be honest.
Perfect?
No, like just
All the time, yes, I do.
Why?
Because it's efficient.
Why?
And I like green pepper canals.
I just
You fell. So,
beauty.
we get rid of that, get rid of these guys, and
Beauty.
then we've got this.
Oh, you got a little friend, a little love bug.
Hey there, guy. Get out of here. I don't love bugs.
He loved you.
Then, in true Nate fashion, we take our samurai sword.
Yeah.
Chefs do that.
And then start slicing away.
Now this is actually, I know you'll never say it, but this is a julienne.
Hey, listen, one of my favorite shows to watch late at night when my kids are in bed and I just need something that is just really fun and brainless, and I've seen it a dozen times.
My Little Pony.
Julia and Julia on Netflix or Amazon.
Oh, man,
the story
it is
of
so lovely.
that true story of Julia Child and
Oh.
the lady who wrote the cookbook.
Dude, I
around her stuff.
love that.
Yeah, we are done with our bell pepper.
'Kay.
Let's get to our onion. So I'm gonna cut that guy up. I wanna dice this. So I've done it before where I cut the lines here
Sure.
and then I cut it.
Yeah.
Do you do it that way? Or do you cut it this way
You
and
know,
then?
I have a different technique, and I'm not gonna tell you. I'm gonna do it on my video.
Your video's gonna
Thanks for watching CJ's first cooking show where he tries to steal all my knife techniques.
Since you invented the knife technique, right?
No, but you just never give me credit, that's all.
Whatever. All right, so we're gonna go. Oh, we got some sun coming in,
Finally, it was like looking like it was gonna rain.
and honestly, I loved
Decent
it.
technique. Interesting that you would cut it like that for a Philly cheese when it should have been a julienne like the bell peppers. Good thing there's half of an onion, you can do it the correct way.
No,
What have you done?
if this was a proper sandwich,
That's fine. You know what?
This is
your
my
Philly.
show.
I'm gonna do this exact same recipe.
and it's gonna suck.
No,
You know what? There's been far too much
Okay,
chatter.
you're right.
Freaking.
Correct.
Okay, here we go.
All right.
So we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil down right here. All right, we're going down with this. Let's spread this out a little bit.
You really wouldn't want to do it with any other cut other than ribeye.
I guess you can, right?
Oh, of course you
But-
can. I'm just saying I wouldn't want to.
Okay, okay. So basically, gonna just spread this out, get some surface area so we can start getting a Maillard reaction.
Yeah, I'm so proud of my baby boy.
Some Maillard reaction to our beef here. I am going to add a little bit of salt and pepper real quick.
I dig it. Oh, and
How about I take this? How about I take over on the
Okay.
show? How about that?
Okay.
Okay.
How about no, Scott? Okay.
So, gonna do a little bit of salt, pinch of pepper, and
Let me see it. Now, you see,
there we go.
I have a feeling you forgot until I said something.
Nope, you are wrong.
Okay.
You were dead wrong.
Okay. All right.
Jerk. We're gonna come down here low because we got an unexpected amount of wind today. It's been fantastic.
Show me that again. If you guys haven't had the cheesesteak, it's available at Walmart. Hopefully it's available at your Walmart. It is crazy delicious.
My homeboy Rick, he's in the panhandle of Texas, and he can't find this stuff, man. Yeah.
Someone in Tampa is just buying
Jeff,
it all up.
My homeboy in Denver, he's in the Denver area, and he's struggling to find it as well. So, let's kind of start.
You need to get those peppers on before you're...
I know it, dude. Let's add some vegetables. Just gonna grab them all.
Yeah.
See what I did there?
I do.
Oh, that's nice.
If I were you, I'd be toasting my bread right about now too, but
we're...
if you were me, then I'd be you.
And I'd use your body to get to the top.
Well, if you were me, then I'd be you, and I'd use your body to get to the top.
Yeah.
So I just started preheating the other side of the griddle top. We're at like a medium.
This is a great shortcut. Great, fantastic shortcut.
Pre-done.
Oh, hang on.
Flatbreads.
Sun just came in. Let me get, oh yeah, you beauty.
Gonna get a little bit of oil down here. Dude, I just want to get a fork and start eating that right now.
Oh, dang, look at that, my yard.
This is actually your yard. You don't have to brag about it.
Oh, that was...
Right.
I don't normally do ridiculous dad jokes.
Whatever.
I don't normally.
You can't ever say it. Again, because now you've done it.
I did
and
one.
the world knows.
I did joke.
You shouldn't.
Much less mini jokes that
shouldn't-
would necessitate an
you
entire
shouldn't have.
dad joke rack.
I don't even own a gun, let alone many guns that would necessitate an entire rack.
No.
No?
You can't use a Wayne's World quote to save yourself.
Yes, I can.
No, you
I can
can't.
do whatever the freaking heck I want.
Yeah, but it's not working.
Hey, shut up.
Oh, let's take a moment to...
No. I rang the bell.
Oh, you did bring it back.
Yeah.
What if I just drank the mayo?
So we're gonna make a really savory sauce, acting as like our base
Oh, yeah.
sauce for our flatbread.
It's gonna be an umami bomb.
Umami bomb. Let's get to it. There's just a few ingredients that's gonna make this freaking banging. Of course, Duke's mayo.
Gotta have it.
Gotta represent that Duke game. So on a normal day, dude, I don't like just mayo. I can't
No.
do it. I've said it before, and I'll say it again.
Man, I love being a turtle.
Yeah.
Did you see that one coming?
No, but just when I thought you couldn't get any dumber, you go and do something like this.
And totally redeem yourself!
You rebutted me with a quote.
'Cause we're
Yes, I will acknowledge that. Okay, so we've got our Duke's mayo, then we've got, I don't even need a spoon
show
for
me
this
some
one.
of
We've got
that,
a little
yeah.
bit of
Horsey radish.
Horsey
Prepared
radish.
horseradish is basically like a horseradish puree. Makes it easier to mix into a suya.
Hey, I'm gonna stir my beef.
I'm
toss
with
my
you.
beef
I'm
up
with
here.
you.
I don't wanna get burned. Oh, but dude, do you see that?
Beauty. Beauty. Dude, don't accuse me of backseat cooking. If it were me, I think I'd load it up with more cheesesteak seasoning. Because because we have all the flatbread and we're not seasoning the bread, so we need...
Listen,
I'm here
I'm
here
going
for
to
you.
do a post
Help
dusting.
me help you.
Help me.
Help you.
Show me the money!
Me, help you.
I'm not going to do that yet.
Okay.
You just let me do my thing, all right?
I'm-
You do
I'm-
you, I'll do me.
Okay.
So we've got some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. Worcestershire.
Yeah.
Hip hop? Hip hop anonymous?
Four times the charm.
There we go.
Or
So
fourth or fifth, I'm not
we're gonna
sure.
add some of that in there. I don't have a measurement for this,
Kind of an eyeball.
but it's
thing.
just an eyeball thing. So it's gonna be a very savory sauce. So just kind of go with what sounds good. Because I like, oh, that was
It's a decent
plenty.
amount of pepper.
Yes, it was.
That's all right.
That's okay. And we're gonna add some cheesesteak. What you think about that, guy?
Ding.
Oh, is that a ding win or a ding
Oh.
drink?
I attacked my new cameraman. What's up, Calvin? How's it going?
Bro, how fun does that look on video, right?
Beauty.
Okay, you stay there. I'm gonna flip over my flatbreads.
Woo.
Oh,
Oh no, your flipping technique is...
it's freaking hot, man! I got especially
That wind is
especially
picking up.
toasty.
So now we're gonna turn those off, right? Because we're just melting cheese.
Well, I want to get the tops
Oh, gotcha.
a little bit crispy, so
you're
I flipped
toasting
it.
both sides.
Both sides.
Gotcha.
Not to get totally done, just to get that consistency. When we put it on there, it doesn't get soggy.
Yeah.
Can get some good crunch. It's gonna be nice. So,
Can I just
taste.
Yeah.
Yep.
Can I adjust it?
What would you add?
A little bit more Worcestershire and a little bit more horseradish.
No, you can't. And you know what? If you're going to, you have to do it. I'm gonna just stand here. Yeah, that's what happens when you start backseat cooking. You got to start doing stuff, and I'm gonna. Well, that was a lot of. No, well, continue.
Well, I can't adjust my light at the same.
Sorry, you're gonna backseat cook. You gotta
You just
take
tasted it, right?
responsibility.
You got a responsibility.
I want you to taste it again after I just added that.
Okay.
All right.
I've had better.
I've had better.
Yeah, this beef.
Oh yeah, there she is.
Look at that. Look at that. Done.
Beauty.
Done. All right, so I'm gonna turn this off. Whoa. Okay, I am going
chasing you
to
around.
find my rack. Wait.
There it is.
There we go. I knew I saw it. We got a rack.
Nice rack.
Nice. I've already.
Yes.
Don't
Whoa.
I have a nice rack?
Boing. Toasty.
That one's
Beauty.
a little toastier. Kind of want to get the bottom of this one a little more toasty,
crisp?
bro.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna set this one up here because we don't want soggy flatbread.
No, we want a crisp.
Oh,
Are you giving it CPR?
yes. Breathe.
Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive.
Okay. Wow, the Bee Gees.
There she is.
There we blow. All right, here we go. All right, so I'm
Okay.
going to.
We gotta sweat it.
I'm gonna swass it already.
it.
Get off my back.
It's over there.
Oh, hold on, over here.
Welcome back.
Really?
Get the clean one. Why'd you grab the dirty one?
Which one's the clean one?
The one you cleaned.
You take the big one. I'll take the ugly one. Which one's the ugly one?
Vegas vacation?
No.
You take the ugly one. No, you take the ugly one. I'll take the ugly one. Which one's the ugly one?
Let's pull off some flatbread.
Oh man, you gonna make me chase you all over this set?
Yes. I'm
Okay.
deciding if I'm gonna build it over here or if I'm gonna go over here.
No, build it over here.
That's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
The way the good Lord intended.
Ah, the good
The way the
Lord.
good Lord intended. Okay.
Perhaps
So-
I'll even give you a hat.
I'll even give you a hat.
This sauce is just really wicked, savory,
Oh yeah.
kind of umami, as Nate loves to say. All right, so there we go. So
Okay.
there's that.
Alrighty.
So there's that.
There you go.
There you go. And to the goods, man. I'm gonna make sure. See all that nice Maillard crispy glory?
Ooh, there's the hurricane.
Dude, in Texas we call that a mild sneeze.
A mild breeze.
I've loaded her up.
Oh yes, yes you have.
And I love that I've loaded it up. Now we're gonna dust it. A little bit of this guy right here. That's why I didn't want to do it earlier when I said let me cook.
hello to my
Say hello to my little friend. So let's get to dusting, shall we?
Do it.
Now.
Oh, real good. Real good.
Real good. Okay.
Okay.
Now that we got that, let's drop some cheese on this bad boy. Oh, I'm gonna need lots of cheese. Hold on.
Oh yeah, we're doing what? 3 slices?
We're gonna do 4 slices.
Ew.
And then I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna steam it,
Yeah,
guys.
you can cover my camera with your dome, guy.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go.
Whoa. Fogged over my glasses.
Hey. Nope. And action. All right. See you in 2 minutes.
2 minutes, bro.
2 minutes.
Guaranteed. The flatbreads
Guaranteed
are done.
greatness.
Guaranteed. Ready for this?
Oh, you gorgeous thing.
There we go.
Oh, you dang. Oh, the sunlight's so bright. Future's so bright, I gotta wear shades.
There we go.
We don't need
So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna slice this up into sections so it's available for the masses.
I like it.
Let's see if there's a crunch.
Oh, you crunchy goodness. What are you doing? Cutting it like an insane person.
I'm making it available
Why?
for the masses.
But there's no crust on the middle one. What the?
That's the best one.
What in the?
The winner chicken dinner gets the middle one.
Okay.
This is an appetizer, game day. Then we're gonna give it another light dusting.
Oh, one more? One more for the show, for the road?
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Oh.
whoa.
Oh, the wind got you.
Whoa, wind got me. Look at all this cheesy Okay, I decided
Madness.
to change my mind and go for this one.
Slow down, I'm trying to follow you with this.
Hey, can I just flip it
You
over
can do
real
whatever
quick?
you want.
Look at
Crunchy-y,
Perfect.
crispy,
crunchy. It's gonna be hot. Ready?
game day soiree, CJ, all day.
Why don't you just go lay by the bay? Make
just
things out of
made-
hay.
How about I just go eat some hay? I can make things out of clay and lay by the bay. I just may. What do you say?
Whoa.
Biggity bang! There it is.
You beautiful thing.
There it is.
Hey,
Cheers.
Philly flatbread cheers.
Philly flatbread cheers.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna hammer one of those. Do it. Yeah. That is a freaking winner.
Yeah, it is. It truly is that simple. If I can do it, you can do it. Until next time, this is CJ's First Cooking Show. And what do we do, Nate?
We cook,
And we quote.
and the hurricane's
Cheers.
coming.
There she is.
Come on, everyone, it's CJ's First